Oh, hello everybody. I'm back again with another video, and it's a drink video with alcohol. Turns out everybody's quarantined. We can't go anywhere. The gyms are closed. All we can do is drink alcohol. Therefore, I need to show you guys a way to drink alcohol where you take in the least amount of calories that you can, but also it tastes really good. So, there are these things called Trulies. White Claws, trash, stupid. Trulies, the best. They came out with these, okay? Hold up. Truly lemonades. I'm going to show you guys how to utilize this to make a great cocktail that's good for keto. It's good for just not getting fat while we're sitting in the house doing nothing. So let's get into it. Let's go over the ingredients. First thing we're going to need, 3 lime wedges, cool beans. Whoa, calm down. You're going to need 10 fresh mint leaves. Don't worry, these are still at the store because no one cares about them. Next up, you're going to need Bacardi Silver or just a silver rum. It doesn't really matter. Just rum. At this point, makes no difference. Sprite Zero. Make sure any lemon lime zero, if you want generic, it doesn't matter, have Sprite Zero. And of course, the Truly lemonade of your choice. You're going to want to use the lemonade for a specific reason. Okay? These are sweeter than the other ones, okay? But there's no sweetener in it. I don't think there's 1% juice. Whatever. Cool. But there's like 3 grams of carbs in this, and you're only going to use a third. And if we think mathematically, that's 1 gram of carb. Okay. Other than that, you're going to need a knife, bar spoon, and this thing that measures stuff. Cool. Let's get into it. You need to cut the lime up. What you want to do, take your lime, roll it. Put a little pressure on it. This breaks it all apart on the inside, so it's the juiciest it can be. And that's kind of an old lime because it's been sitting there for a while, so we want to get it nice and worked. But you're going to need 3 wedges, right? 2 for the drink, 1 for garnish because it's the only thing keeping us sane right now is, this. Cool. Go ahead and take your green door cup. If you don't have one of these, you're in fact a loser. Take the limes, bam, bam, set the best looking one aside, and you're good to go. Next up, take your 10 mint leaves. This is only like $2 at the store, by the way. It's not that expensive. Count with me right now. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dang it, 9, 10, got 10 and 11 for good measure because we got so much of it. Now at this point in a mojito, you would put sugar or simple syrup. We're not going to do that. We're trying to be healthy. We're trying to be cool. So just put the rum. We're going to do 2 ounces and some change. This is what I see them do all the time. They just keep it going because they're trying to hook you up a little bit more. Oh, look at that. So I'd say 2.5 ounces of rum. Then you're going to take yourself a spoon. I have a bar spoon because, I just have that kind of thing. And actually, again, I'm messing up. You're going to need a muddler. I don't have one, but we do have the back end of a spoon, or in my case, a whisk. And you're just going to muddle it. You're not going to destroy it. You're going to smoosh it around. Just the lime, pretty much. That's all I'm looking for. Is smoosh the lime up. You don't want to beat the mint to death. Alright, after doing that a few times, take your bar spoon like I was just about to say, and I've seen people say like, go around and do this for 2 minutes. I don't have 2 minutes, so I'm just going to mix this up until now. That seems good enough for me. Go ahead and take your ice. Don't spill it all over the place like an idiot like me. That's cool. That's silly. Now, for the Truly, you only want to do about a third, right? You want to leave some room for that Sprite Zero. Oh, it's so nice. Now, Sprite. Oh, man. What am I, Corey? We don't have time for that. Just lose it. Here we go. Cool. Top with your Sprite Zero. go ahead and take your little, I'm gonna take our lime right here. Throw the garnish on there because it makes everything better. And then pick out the best looking mint piece. Let's see what we got here. That's cool looking. Nope, that one looks like bull crap. Here we go. All right, this is it right here. This is a tip, a trick bartenders do, okay? You assault the mint, okay? Somehow that makes it better. But you hit it, then you go ahead and you throw that right into the drink. Boom. Look at that. That's what we call a truly mango mojito. Or, since there's only 1 gram of carbs, we're gonna call it a keto mango mojito because it rhymes. It's just too good. This, best on the market. This, you're just trying to impress everybody. All right? Make these for your friends. Make sure they don't get fat. Make sure they don't get stupid. We don't have gyms. We can't really do anything. This will slow the process of you getting fat down. Because we're not going to stop drinking. Fools. Look how good that looks. Ha ha! But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, tell me I'm wrong. I don't know. Cool. Appreciate you though. See you in the next video.